Hello everyone, here is this Carrier base model that's running. It's got a sound blanket, GE commercial fan motor, doesn't have a logo. It's got Puron, it's from 2008, it's manufactured April of 2008. Logo. Cold and sweaty after temperature. And there's this Carrier Performance. Oh cool, look at that, because this is close, this unit's closer. Here's the Performance series. Yeah, there it is. Here's the Carrier Performance. I think this is the same year like this base model. GE commercial fan motor. It's got a sound blanket. 2008. Now it's also got Puron. It's manufactured July of 2008. I like these units. Here's my sister. And that feeling, this one has been on. Got my coughing in the background. Sienna's been working great. So thank you for watching these units. I'm gonna film this one running tomorrow. Yep, it's got a sound blanket. They both have GE commercial fan motors. So yeah, thank you for watching. Over and out.